Let me quickly show you how to block someone on TikTok. So let's say you go to your TikTok app like this. You want to block someone on TikTok. So let's say you are following that person, or you just know that that person's content is not what you want to be seen on TikTok. So you can actually go ahead and go to their profile. Or let's say this is the person right here. This is their accounts. For example, you can simply go to their profile like this and click on the share button at the top right corner like this. And you're going to be able to see the option of block at the bottom of the screen. Or let's say you click on the share button right here as well. Scrolling at the bottom, there is no option of block right here. So the only way you can actually block account on TikTok is to go to their profile like this, click on the share button and click on the block just like this. Once you click on the block like this, click on block and this person is actually going to be blocked. So you can actually unblock them by clicking on unblock and click on unblock like this, and you'll be able to unblock them. So in order for you to see those people that you've blocked so far on TikTok, you can simply go to your profile like this and click on the three-line icon at the top right corner. Then go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Scroll gently and you're going to be able to see block accounts. So if you click on that, this is where you're going to be able to see all the accounts you've blocked so far on TikTok. You can actually click on unblock to unblock any of them. So this is how simple it is for you to block someone on TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe.